If you're not room service with truffle fries, turn around.
Not food, but it's a delivery.
Another one?
This time, it says, wait for tomorrow.
Wait for tomorrow.
Monaco, where wealth whispers and secrets race in the shadows. During the world's most elite yacht show, billionaire twins Sierra and Sebastian Voss receive a challenge from the Syndicate. A midnight race, one vault, no rules.
Tell me this isn't exactly our kind of invitation.
A midnight race, one vault. No rules, raises an eyebrow. Well, at least they know how to get my attention.
Finally, someone who appreciates good drama.
If this ends with us in a helicopter chased by drones again, you're paying for the damage this time?
Then you better drive fast enough not to get caught.
Game on, brother. ...
Hope you're not too attached to the Ferrari. We might have to switch gears.
As long as it's faster than your ego, I'm in. Let's see if these toys are worth the trouble.
Well, there goes Monaco's peace and quiet.
They launch from the Monte Carlo Yacht Club, fireworks igniting the sky. Blast through the F1 Grand Prix circuit.
Target 1 and 2 just left the Monte Carlo Yacht Club. Midnight run has begun. I'm staying on them. Impressive start, twins. But Monaco holds deeper secrets than its streets. Your next clue sleeps beneath Fontville's old docks. In the sunken vault they try to erase. Find it before the Syndicate does.
Hurry up, brother. The ocean's not going to wait for your hair to look perfect.
Patience, sister. Greatness takes exactly 3 more seconds.
Try not to embarrass the Voss name underwater, yeah?
Just stay behind me. Wouldn't want little sis getting lost in the deep.
Beneath Monaco, the world holds its breath. The water turns darker, colder. They pass coral-laced pillars and the skeletal remains of smuggler subs, rusted, silent. Ancient crates drift half-buried in the silk, and a crumbling Roman mosaic reveals twin serpents devouring the sun.
If this one says good job, I'm quitting.
Nope, it's worse. It says cathedral.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push your mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work. I got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter. I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out.
You sure this is the right case? I've got 3 that just say do not open near water.
If it's swimwear again, I'm driving back to Monaco in heels. What the
Oops, sorry, sister. If this tux doesn't come with night vision, I'm sending it back.
You just don't want to admit I look better in black than you do in white?
Monaco Cathedral, once a place of worship, now repurposed for something far more clandestine. Floodlights paint the stone facade in gold. A red carpet curves between armored limousines and vintage Syndicate cars. High above, silent. Drones drift like vultures, cloaked in moonlight. The elite move like ghosts, masked, polished, dangerous. Royals, brokers, and Syndicate brass sip champagne from cut crystal and wear designer suits lined with Kevlar. Through a side entrance, unnoticed, unannounced Sierra and Sebastian Voss slip in.
All right, you blend with the crowd. Stay close to the altar. I'll disable the drones from the north wing.
Try not to flirt with anyone holding a detonator this time. Or at least wait until after they set it down.
I wasn't flirting. It was tactical misdirection. But fine, I won't do it this time. Unless it's mission critical. I was told not to flirt with anyone dangerous tonight. So, naturally, here I am. I was just looking for the exit. And then you made me forget why I came in.
Good. That makes two of us pretending to be somewhere we don't belong.
Really, he's flirting again. I'll be over here, dancing through death traps and heels while Prince Charming steals phone numbers.
Sebastian Voss scanned the ballroom like a chessboard. Royals and executives stood in clusters, predictable, guarded. But she moved differently, a masked woman indeed. She wasn't a guest. She was placed, and placed people carry things Syndicate operatives shouldn't. That's why he chose her, not just to charm, but to infiltrate, because sometimes, to get past the system, you have to flirt with it.
Your eyes are exactly like his. Always watching the exits even when no one's chasing.
Who told you?
Some ghosts don't vanish, they send invitations. You'll need this, but what you really need is at the end of the map. Tell him I kept my promise.
Of course he gets the remote. Give a man a button and suddenly he's mission control.
While Sebastian danced through conversation, Sierra glided through danger, her heels tapped soundlessly across the marble, a deliberate rhythm between pressure plates and hidden triggers. Her HUD highlighted the danger beneath. The elegance, red zones glowing under polished stone, silent alarms masked as floor inlays. She moved with purpose, smiling at dignitaries, nodding at royals, but every step was a calculation, every pause a maneuver. The gala was beautiful, but Sierra only saw the blueprint.
Great. We followed the trail, cracked the gala, survived the drone, and now it's a vault with no key.
No key needed, just a name buried in the right blood.
If you're seeing this, then the Syndicate has turned inward, and the world is already burning under velvet gloves. You were never meant to inherit my war, but blood always finds the battlefield. Your next move isn't escape, it's domination. Trust no one, not even each other. The game was never about gold, it's about control.
He left a war and expects us to finish it like it's a family tradition. Next time I see him, I'm not hugging him, I'm hacking him.
Great. Dad's idea of bonding is leaving breadcrumbs in a vault full of ghosts. Still, classic him. Arrogant, brilliant, terrifying. But he's alive, and that changes everything. You go prep the escape route. I'll handle our diplomatic guest list.
Just don't come crying to me when she handcuffs you to a yacht anchor. Wait for tomorrow.